Now general term for a GP series, it is denoted by an is equal to a times r raised to power n minus 1. Let's derive the result. Now let small a be the first term and small r be the common ratio of a GP, geometric progression series. Okay. Now here the series A1, A2, A3, AN. This will be the series. Now what is A1? A1 is equal to A is equal to first term. A2. A2 is what? Second term. Similarly, we can go for AN. This is nth term. Is it clear? Now for the first term, we are having A1. A1 is equal to A. This is the first term. Okay. A2. Now A2 is equal to what? A2 will be A1 with R. Now why A1? Because common ratio, I told you in the definition, it is A2 upon A1 is equal to R, A3 upon A2 is equal to R, like this it goes on. A4 upon A3 is R. So A2 will be what? From here A2 is equal to A1 times R. Okay. So now A1, it is what? Is equal to A. So we can write it A1 as A, R. To R now can I write 2 minus 1? 2 minus 1 is 1, so it means we have not changed it. It is AR only. Okay. A3. Now to A3, what you can write it? A2 times R. A3 is equal to R times A2. Okay. Now to A2. For this A2, we are having what? A1R. So it is A1R with R. A2 is this one, R is this one. Okay. So further can we write it? This is AR square. Okay. Or to this can we write it AR3 minus 1. Similarly A4, A3R. This is equal to now A3. A3 is what? A2R. A2R with R. A2R is what? A2 is what? A1R. So AR, R and R. Now this is AR cube, or to this what we can write it? AR4 minus 1. Okay. Like this we can go for all the other cases. Okay. Like this one. Now what is AN then? AN will be A times R raised to power n minus 1. Now how R minus 1? Just check it. A2, AR 2 minus 1. This is 2, 2 minus 1. A3, AR 3 minus 1. A4, AR 4 minus 1. Okay. Similarly AN, A times R n minus 1. Okay. Hence general term of GP series is AN is equal to AR n minus 1. Now here two condition arises. Now number one, finite series. Finite series can be now written as AR square, like this. A R n minus 1, infinite series. A AR square, go like this. Okay, so this is what about the general term.